In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog. So what is a blog? A blog is a site that is updated regularly with information that people need. So I believe you're all gifted in something. So if you have something that you think you are better than other people, you can create a blog with that information. Some people are good with finances, they love their dogs, some are good with cooking, some are good with their makeup and beauty. So you can create a blog posting that information, and some of us who are not good with beauty, we can learn from that. So how do you get paid from that? You get paid by applying with Google AdSense, and then ads will be put in your blog. Then you can get paid. There's even more other companies which can help you and put their ads in your blog, and you'll get paid even more. So you can make so much money from a blog. Then the secret is just getting people to hit your blog. So you're saying, I'm not technical, how am I going to create that? Then that's where I come in, because I am technical. I'm an IT specialist. So I will show you step by step how to create your site. You don't need to be technical. You can just buy a theme, which you can just edit. A theme is like a site which is already built, and you can just edit that and add your photos, your information. Let's just go to my laptop so I can show you.
This is what I'll be covering in this video. I'll first show you current blogs that exist and their niches. And then after, I'll show you the domains and the hostings, because you would need a place where your domain will sit. And then I'll show you the themes and the plugins. This is the site that is already developed. You just buy the theme, or you can get it for free. And then the content that you're going to post and how to add your post. And then after, we'll publish that content. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries, and in this channel we talk about making money, owning our time, then we can chase our purpose. So this first one is the wonderforest.com. So this is a blog about DIY. So they even have their social media link on the side which shows. So remember, this can be a theme which you can buy, which looks like this. The only thing, you'll change the colors and add your information. Let's go to the second one. The second one is a beauty and makeup blog. So as you can see as well, they talk about different things. And nice thing, you don't need to limit yourself. You can just go all out. You can talk about stretch marks. Those are the topics that ordinary people like me will want to hear. So you can decide your schedule on how you're going to upload, and then you can upload, but you just need to be consistent. The last blog is a food blog. So as you can see, even the banner at the top, the theme that they bought or they developed, it's all about food, and even the logo, I love this, and the social media icons. And as well, you will need to create your own social media pages, and I'm sure you already have. You can have a video that you can create if you want in your blog, or you can just have pictures and different things that you want. Share recipes, share different things step by step on how to cook. This is a good one. So remember, I talked about ads. So this is an ad. So this company I stock will pay this person, and then Google AdSense and this person will have the money. And then there's more ads like this one, Save Up. So all the companies or brands that deal with food and anything to do with homes and even wine, they will upload and advertise in this blog. So these are the three blogs that I'm going to show you. So you can have a site like this, but you need to select your niche so that you can buy the right template that looks like that. But sometimes you can even buy the same template, but your photos will be different, because we sometimes tend to think we need to buy the exact food channel to find out what if you like the structure of a money making a blog or a financial blog. And the only difference, you just change the pictures. So the first thing that you will need to decide on your name and also the blog type that you want to focus on. So when we talk about a niche, we're actually talking in what category do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on food? Do you want to focus on finance? Do you want to focus on DIY? Do you want to focus on gardening? So you need to decide in which type of niche you want to follow. So you can go to my website. When you go to my website, you will see a page like this. You can just scroll, and when you go to resources, you can get your free 20 ways to make money online, or you can go and just click any tab that you want. So I already created a blog post on how to start a blog. So if you get stuck, you can just go to my website and click it, and it'll open all the steps. Or if you need more information on how to create, I've listed some of the most important information and the reason why you would want a blog and the advantages of why you would want a blog. So as you can see in number 1, I say choose a topic, a blog topic, and a blog name. So if you don't have an idea of what name to choose for your blog, you can just use your name. I think it's safe to use your name because your name will never expire. But then, so why do you want to choose a blog name? So obviously I list all of these things in this blog, so you can just go ahead and read why you would need it. So if you're a photographer, you can start a photography blog. You cannot focus on different things. And imagine having a beauty blog, and then all of a sudden you're now talking about saving money and you're talking about food. So you'll be confusing people. Even the SEO engine, which is the search engine optimization in Google, will get confused because it won't know where to place you. It won't know what type of people you are looking for. So make sure you choose a name, and then you choose a blog name that is good for you. If you don't have anything, I still say use your name. The next thing that you need is to buy your domain. So your domain and your hosting, I to start buying. And for step-by-step guide, you can just go to this video on my YouTube channel, which will show you how to do it step-by-step. So it is simple. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. Then you can have your domain set up. And it even shows you how to create your email address, because you would need the domain and the email address where people can contact you. After getting your domain and your hosting, then you will get a link that will take you to a page like this. And then once you are in a page like this, you are in your Bluehost portal, where you'll be able to log in into your WordPress. So we use WordPress to create blogs. It is recommended to use WordPress. So from the previous video that I showed you, you will use this. So I already have my logins saved. So it will just automatically go into my WordPress. And then you will go into a page like this. This is the page where you create your post. As you can see, you can create your post, you can create your pages for your website, you can create plugins, you can create themes. So I talked about buying a theme. So let's just get that one out of the way, because you will need to upload your theme here. So already there are themes which are here. So you can just check. These are themes that you can buy. So you can just select the one that you want, but I recommend using Astra, which I will show you now. So to buy your theme, you go to the link that I'll put in the description called Astra, Astra, but then it is called Astra. So when you click it, it will show you. So do remember this, I am an affiliate in this Astra company. So when you buy, I do get something, but it won't cost you any extra. So when you go to here, you can click buy. So you can click buy, and then you can get your theme. So there's a lot of different themes which you can select. So you choose the one that you want. So I suggest you just go with the cheapest one. But then if you don't want to buy, or you're not ready, you can just go scroll down, and then you will click this download free Astra theme. When you click free download Astra theme, you enter your email address, and then you subscribe and you download. The download that we downloaded from Astra, this is the theme that we're going to use to create our website or blog. So after downloading your theme, then you need to upload that theme. So to upload the theme, you go to Appearance, Themes, and then right at the top, you click Upload. And then you will click Upload, and then you will choose the file that we've downloaded, which is Astra. You don't need to unzip it. You'll upload it the way it is, and then you will click Install Now. After installing, you will go to Appearance, Themes, and then your theme will show here. So just to show you, there are other themes which are free. So you can just go to WordPress.org and see some of the themes which are free, which you can also upload. So as you can see, you can come here and select the one that you want. But now remember, there's a difference between a free theme and a premium theme. And I still say I prefer a premium theme, which you can buy. So if you use a premium theme, then all the hard coding, all the SEO, it's already done. All the plugins are already put for you. So all you need to do is just change the content and also the pictures. Whereas with the free themes, as you can see, this doesn't look nice. It just looks like it's not finished. As it just doesn't look nice. Go to this one so you can see one of the free themes. So you would need to be not really good, but a bit technical, because you need to edit a whole lot of things to make it look like the demo. Whereas a premium theme, let's go to a premium theme so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's look at this one. When you click preview with this one, it looks okay, like there's no information that is missing. The only thing that you would do, you will just edit it. So you can also, can you see this one already looks like a nice blog, which you can buy. Already. So all you have to do is just changing this picture and changing the contact information and removing some of the posts that are added, or you can even edit these posts and then you're done. Change the social media pages, of which the document or the theme that you buy will give you a step-by-step guide to make your blog looks like this by just replacing pictures and the information that you want. So I still say buy the theme instead of using the free one. Now you need to work on the appearance. The first thing that we need to do is to work on the plugins, and click plugin under appearance plugin, and then it will open. And then these are plugins which are here. So the first plugin that you need is contact form 7. So what you do, because yours won't have this contact form 7, so you would just click contact form 7. And then when you open it, it will give you an install option. Then you would click install and activate. Let me show you with a plugin that I didn't install. So you will see how to install a plugin. So you click add new. So I'm now going to add Yoast, and then Yoast. This will assist you with optimizing your WordPress website. As you can see, this is a Yoast SEO, which you need to install. So I'll give you a list of 4 plugins that you need to install before you even do anything. So as you can see, I already installed it. So with you, you will see install now. So you will click install, and then after clicking install, you will see activate, and then you will click activate. When you click activate, it will appear in this list. So let's click activate. So basically, this is how you install a plugin. You just check the plugin name, and then you click install, and then you click activate. So Yoast will be in this list there. Your advices on what you need to improve, and you don't need the premium one, so make sure you don't go premium unless if you really need premium. So you can just with the standard basic information that you need, which I think is more than enough for you to continue. So you can even do your optimization. You can just click and it will do that for you. So that's the first plugin that you need. That's the second plugin that you need. Remember, the first one is contact form, which you will need for your contact website. And then the second one is Yoast, which you will need for your SEO. So let's just go ahead and check other plugins that you will need. So another plugin that's important, which you will need, is this one, Monster Site. So you will go again to the list and search for Monster Site. And then when you search for Monster Site, it will give you an option to install and then activate, and then it should be here. Why do you need a Monster Site insight for Google Analytics? So when you go to like your brands, like recently I applied with a brand and they wanted my Google Analytics ID. So I needed Monster Inc. for me to get that Google Analytics ID. So install this. So Monster Insight will give you information like your universal tracking, your Google Analytics, your real-time stats, and also your affiliates. If you have your affiliate links on your blog, and then it will give you information, your page level, people who actually went to your site. So this type of information you will find in that Monster Insight. The last plugin that you will need is Elementor. So Elementor just helps you with a drag and drop when you build your post or your page. So those are the 4 plugins that I think you need for this site. And then the next thing that we're going to do is going to work on our website. So to see your current site, you just click to this house thing, and then you right click, and then you open in another link. This will show you your current site, how it looks. So yours won't have anything because we haven't started doing anything. So for example, you just uploaded your theme that you downloaded or that you bought. So what you will see, so we're going to customize our site now. You go to appearance, you click customize, because remember the colors that are coming from that theme that we uploaded, it's different colors and different photos. So you need to change that. So you will come to site identity and you will remove or add the logo. So now can you see I've added my logo. So you can change your logo. If you don't have a logo, just type your name here and then type the tagline. So if I wanted to add a tagline just to show you and chase purpose, I hope you get what I'm trying to show you. So you can change that. And then with the logo, if you don't have a logo, the name Lindy Sherry's, which doesn't look like this, obviously a straight name with a different font, because this is just something that I've created. So you can just go ahead and add that. But I don't want a tagline on my one. And then you need to add your site icon. What is a site icon? Site icon is something that you see when you open your site, like when I open my website. Can you see this picture? This is the picture we're trying to change here. So if you want to show something, because otherwise if you don't change this, maybe WordPress will show or some other thing will show. So you want to make sure that it shows. So you can just pick any image, any something that motivates you, you can just put it. So with me, I already had a logo which is called Push My Limits now. So I've added that. So you can just replace that. So from site identity, that's what you've done. Then you go back. And then the colors of your website. So it tells you my background color now it's white. And then my text is, and then as you can see, my link colors, for example, if you see, it's yellow. And then my headings is this color, and the menu, you can just change the colors the way you want. For example, if I were to change this to red, then everything will just change to red. And then we go to general settings. General settings is, do you want your header to show right at the top? So this is the header, like these headers. So if I say top header 2, that will move. Can you see now this is here, but I want that to be at the top. You change that. And then can you see the information at the footers of your website? Like right at the bottom, you see information like 2020 at copyrighted information and what. You can add that here. So with me, I just put at Lindy Sherry's. So every year it will change and say 2021. So you can just add copyrighted. Just check other websites, how they do it, and then you can do that. And then the next thing is home setting. And then you can choose what you want. So with me, I said full screen 3 post slider. So that's why you see a slider that's showing. So if I wanted a box slider, then I will change this, and this will change and show a different way. Can you see? It will show it like this. And I do not want it to show it like this. I want it to show it like as a 3 post slider, because then people will have options. If they want this one, mine goes, and then they will click that one. So you can change that here. Block layout. So there's different layouts. So at the moment I have this block layout. So you can choose if you want this one and this one. So the structure of how your blog will look will be changed there. So you can go ahead and check. And then your sidebar display. So you want this to be on your right hand side. The sidebar display is this part. So I chose mine to be on the right hand side. So here I just said above top image. So when I say above top image, I mean if I post a post, like for example, this one, it's a post that I've posted. So do I want the words to be at the top or over the image or below the image? So I said at the top like this one. So if I were to select over the image, that information will be over this image. For example, let's see, so you can see. Let me just do it so you can see. Can you see the information is here? But since I already have smart money category, I didn't want to put that, but I can choose to have that there. But then for now, I want above top image so that when people come, they can see already what so you can just select it the way you want. Social media. So this is where you add your social media links. So you go and create social media links and then you will add that here. So as you can see in my blog, I already have the social media links. So you set it here. Background image. So if you don't want this image to be white or whatever color you're going to select, you can select a background that you want. Menus. So when it comes to menus, we're talking about these things. So for now, I have blog, YouTube, make money, all those things. So when you click here, you come here, and then it will show you the menus that you want, and then you can reorder and put the one that you want. So I already made a mistake here. Maybe I should fix it now, because I had flip instead of and click publish in order to fix the menu. And then that's how. So you can just add a menu and then you will have your menus there. So widgets, things like your footer, your sidebar. So when we talk about sidebar, when you look at my sidebar, can you see I already have search, I already have recent post, recent comment, my top post archive. So all of that is set here on widgets. So you can select the widget that you want, and then you can select it. So I have search, recent post, footer, homepage setting, and then do you want your latest post to show? So with me, I said I want my latest post to show. So these are my 2 latest posts. But if you want a static one that will always show, you can just click there. But for me, every time I upload, today I'm going to upload something to do with top 50 niches you can select from. So obviously that will show at the top. And then we're done customizing our website. The next thing that we're going to fix is our permalinks. So permalinks is what makes, it's like indexes sort of in your website. So when someone goes to Google and search maybe blogs, and Google search optimization, engine search optimization will go and check the ones that are indexed properly. So for example, this site is just a simple site. It just shows the whole website. But then for those that are blogs, you'll see something like this. It is so IGSPL blog, start a blog. So some websites which doesn't have this, it just goes into a pool in Google search engine and it's not indexed properly. So it's basically a way of indexing so that when someone search, it will show properly blog, starting a blog. It just gives you a nice structure. Whereas if it's not in index and you didn't add these permalinks, then it means it will be just a long string, which won't make sense to people. So which also with Google won't know in which category to place that. So the chances of you being found, it will be slim because yours will not be indexed properly. So we need to set that option well. So in order to do that, you go to settings and you go to permalinks. And then when you get to permalinks, this will be empty. So you just click post name. So every time you post something, it will give it a nice structure. So for example, let's look at my website. I just posted my blog goals, my whatever 2021 blog goals. Can you see it says this and then my 2020? It gives you a nice structure, not a long string that won't make sense. So it's easy for Google to place this blog post into a category where people who will search 2021 business goals will be found. So if you don't do this, then it will show a long string, which won't be good for search optimization. So it is a good way to optimize. The next thing that we're going to look at is the users. So as a person who owns this website, you're already an administrator. So now for someone who doesn't own the site, and you say you hire someone who will do your blog post and you want to give them permission, obviously you will not give them your admin permission. So you need to create that user. In order to do that, you would click add user, and you will add the name of that person and the email address, and then you'll create a password. And that person will be an editor to your site. They won't have access to delete your site or do anything. So that way you can even hire freelancers on Fiverr who will just write your blog post for you. So you can even start a blog post and not even post anything. Get a person who's specialized to do that. So you can just say this person is an author or an editor. So you can create that person there. So then you will have that person and you will give that person that and those logins in order for them to log into your blog, and instead of having access to your administrator, because they can delete whenever they get angry. You'll never know. Okay, so now we're going to create pages to your blogs, to your blog. So when you talk about pages, this can be a blog post or can be a page. For example, this YouTube tab, it's a page, it's not a blog post. It's something that's static that will always be there. When someone clicks here, there won't be anything new. So I had to add this. So there is a video that shows you how to add this, because you will need a YouTube API key in order to add your YouTube channel in this page. So I do have a video for that. You can just go ahead and check that if you want to, if you have a YouTube channel that you want to show, you can just do that. But then this one, it's a blog post. So when you click it, it takes you to a post that I've posted December 23rd. So it will show you something like that. So what I'm going to create now, it's a page, it's not a blog post. So let's just go ahead and create a page. So to create a page, you click add new. And then when you click add new, it will create. So depending on what you're creating. So in order for me to create an about me page, so I'll click add test. Obviously I will delete this one. And then after you add information, and then after creating this about me test page, and then you need to add content. Obviously you want to talk about you. First thing that you want to add is your picture. So you can just click add and select image. And then when you click image, and then you'll select an image that you want to upload. So if you haven't uploaded anything, you can just click upload, go to your pics, and then select the image that you want to upload, and then click open. And then this will get added here. And then you'll have to make it small. So when to make it small, you click this. This will make it small. Then you're done. This will be added. And then the next thing on the next line, you can just add something that you want. You want to add a paragraph about yourself, you can just click there. And then go get information somewhere, or whatever information you want to put there about yourself, then you can add it here. So let's just say this is information about you. And then you want this to be nice as well, because you just added a page and just text. So if you want to list anything, you can just click and select list. This will list things like this. You can just add, maybe I am fun, or I love money, or I am happy. So you can just add list like that. And the next thing that maybe say you want to add a code. So you can just come here and click code, and then go copy whatever code you want, and then you can put it there, something like nothing comes easily on a silver platter, nothing comes easy. So it will make it nice for you. So say you want to move this into the middle, you can just click there and then click that, and then it will come to the middle. So maybe even if you want to add a Bible verse, you can just write John 3 for those who want to add scriptures. So it will look like that. And then at the end, you can just decide what you want. If you want this picture to be in the middle, you can just move it to the center. It is now in the center. Can you see? And if you want that picture to be a circle, you can just add it as a circle. So you can just go ahead by just clicking add and adding whatever you want to add. If you want to add your video, you can just click video and upload whatever video. So let me just show you, because I don't want you to struggle. So you can insert a URL and then click enter. Your video will start showing. So your video will start showing. I like this video because most people are stuck in a rat race thinking that. So we now have something like this, which is a page to preview to see if your page looks nice. You can just go and click preview. And then this will show you if you're happy with your page or not happy with your page. Then you can just go back and fix whatever you want to fix until you are happy with the page. So this is how the page will look like in your website. So this is how basically I just showed you how to add your about me page. Just add a background, add a nice picture. You can add a picture again in the middle. Just add whatever you want to make it nice. When you are happy with your picture, you just click publish. When you click publish, it means you're happy with your site. And now remember, once you start working on your site, it's not yet published live. It will be published live when you're done with everything. So I just showed you how to create your pages. And then the next thing that I'm going to show you, so you can go ahead to your menus and create these pages. So now say you want to link this about me. So when you click it, it goes to that page. So let me show you how to do that. To get the link, you just click view. So this is the link of your about me page. So let's just go ahead and then so you can see how you're going to add that to your site. You will go to appearance menus because you want your menu in your blog to go to this page when you edit, you click it. So we go and look for about me there. You click it, and then this is the menu that you have on about me. And then can you see it's linking to about me? But then say you didn't create this page linking to about me. Say you created using a custom URL. For example, I have this one, it's a custom URL for affiliate links. So when I create a link or a page, then I can just select and add that link here and click. Then when I go to my site like here and click this affiliate, it will go to that page which I've created. So we're now done creating pages. Let's just create our first blog post. Go to post. So this is what you keep adding for your site to keep growing. So I'll click add new. And then I will click top 50 niche. I don't know if it's niches to choose. So remember, I'll edit this later. And then I need to edit a picture. So I can just click and click image, and then it will come here. So I can select the image, and then I can go to free photos, or I can upload the image that I have. So say I go to upload, then I'll go to my pictures. So this is what I find, but that's not exactly what I want. So I can go and create my own picture using post on my wall. If you don't know how to create, you can check my YouTube video, which is how to create a banner. So you can use the same thing, similar. So you can just click select and insert. Let's say it's a photo that you like, and then it is inserting now. And then after inserting, then it's just resizing and adding content. So now the picture is added. I just need to make this small and put it in the middle because I like middle, I don't know why. So this is a picture I have, but what do I want to add again? So I want to add a list because remember I'll be listing top 50 things, niches on to choose. So I'll go ahead and add 1, 2, 3 up until the end. So I'll add those until the end. And then when I'm done, then I will just click preview to see how it looks. Remember guys, you're going to do yours nicely because this is information that people are going to read. So I'm just doing this just to show you an example and for the video not to be long. And then can you see I have this blog post already created with a picture and my 50 what. And then when I'm done, I can just send this to people, but you need to publish it. So you will click publish. When you click publish, it will go to your site. Like with me, this is what I have. So it will start showing here as a new blog post. And when you apply in Google AdSense, it will show. So can you see it's showing my 20 because I only uploaded 3 blog posts. So it's showing 3. So now that I have this top 50 niches to choose from, it will show here. And it will show here as a recent post. And also here as a recent post. So that's how you create your blog post. And you'll be doing that all the time. You just go there and click create. So let's just go back again. Go to pages as well, and you do a contact page. You create a contact page. So it will look something like this. So I showed you already how to create a page, but you can just do and create something like this because you already downloaded the contact form 7, which a plugin so a plugin is like a code that's already built for you. You don't need to write the code again. So when you click edit, just choose, because I know some of you will probably get stuck not knowing how to add that contact form plugin. Can you see it already says I've added a contact form. So I'll just click add and click contact. So I'll just select this contact form 7. Remember, this is the plugin that we've created here, that we've installed and activated, this one. So you just select it there and then you have your contact form page. So I think we're done. So you already have now you have a website basically, or a blog that's up and running. So this is how you create your blog site and all the plugins that you need. Now remember, I'll keep updating my blog site, so you can just come here if you get stuck on anything, how to buy a domain. You can go to my YouTube channel as well. And now remember, I also give a free ebook, which is 20 ways to make money online. So you just come here and click it and then download that book. It will give you ideas on how to make money. That's it, guys. I think you found value in this video. If you did, please subscribe, because remember my mission. My mission is to be monetized before the end of January, and I need your support, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications, and comment, ask whatever you want to ask, and I will reply. So this is how you create. You see, it's easy. You don't need to be a technical person.